Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn about some interesting facts about English. Shall we start? The most commonly used letter in the alphabet is E. The least used letter in the alphabet is Q. If you try to say the alphabet without moving your lips or tongue, every letter will sound the same. The sentence, "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog," uses every letter in the English alphabet. The word rhythm is the longest word without a vowel. The letter W is the only letter in the alphabet that has 3 syllables. All others have only one. One out of every 8 letters written is an E. The dot over the letter I is called title. About 100 languages use the same alphabet like in English. The most common word in English is the. The longest word in English which doesn't use the letter E is flozzie-nasini-hilifilification. A sentence which contains all 26 letters of the English alphabet is called a pangram. A famous pangram is "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog." Another pangram is "Pack my box with 5 dozen liquor jugs." The word bookkeeper is the only unhyphenated English word with 3 consecutive double letters. Only 2 English words in current use end in GRY. They are angry and hungry. More English words begin with the letter S than with any other letter. The word triskaidekaphobia means extreme fear of the number 13. The word uncopyrightable is the longest English word in normal use that contains no letter more than once. A word formed by joining together